Hey guys, how to fix SIM card not working in iPhone. Today in this video I am going to talk about some method. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. So let's see. Method 1, restart your iPhone. Method 2, you turn on airplane mode on your phone. Then you again turn off airplane mode. To do this, you go to settings. Now here you see the airplane mode. You turn on this. Then again you turn off airplane mode. Method 3. You make sure that the date and time on your phone is correct. To correct date and time, you go to settings. After that you click on general. Then here you click on date and time. From here you can correct date and time. Method 4. You take out the SIM card from your phone. Then you again insert the SIM card on your phone. Method 5. You insert the SIM card in another phone and check that the SIM card is working or not. Method 6. Reset network settings. To do this, you go to settings. After that you click on general. Then here you scroll down. Now here you see the option reset. You click on this. From here you click on reset network settings. Now here you enter your phone passcode. After entering phone passcode, this option will come. Here you see the option reset network settings. You click on this to reset network settings on your phone. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. Thank you.